If you need to store your rice long term, check out these 3 hacks to help you do it.
Hey good people! Welcome to MommyRoomREDO, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this video, I'll show you how I store my super large bag of rice.
Hey sis, we know you've been watching MommyRoomREDO content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now.
Now, if you'll recall, in the last video, I focused on reorganizing my pantry. Notice that I'm still keeping it up. As I started using my pantry, I realized there are some better ways to store some of my dry goods.
Particularly rice. Our family eats rice several times a week, and so it was too inconvenient to drag that big bag of rice in and out of the pantry.
I found this gem at Wal-Mart. It was about $13, and I think it will be the perfect addition to organizing my kitchen. I've already sanitized this jar, and now I'm drying it out. And I will be adding this tall bag of rice. Woohoo! So, I think this will work perfectly because you can see through it, you can see how much rice you have, and it looks really good on your countertop. Originally, I stored my rice in this canister right here, and I'll probably do that for this last little bit. Just because it's easier to manage and pull out. But for long-term storage, I'm going to be using this baby right here.
I just want to go over a few hacks to keep your rice fresh. As a first step to ensuring that you're feeding your family fresh, edible rice, know the shelf life. White rice has a shelf life of up to 2 years, while brown rice lasts for roughly 6 months. Next, use the right container. Store rice in an airtight glass, metal, or sturdy plastic container, not bags. Finally, protect your rice from bugs. If you've spotted bugs in a bag of rice that you just purchased, immediately return that rice to the retailer. Additionally, as soon as you bring a bag of rice in your house, you should store it in the freezer for a few days. Also, add a few cloves of garlic, ginger, or a whole turmeric in your rice container to keep it bug-free.
So I just wanted to stop and show you this little tip for storing your rice long term, and just to let you know that I have been keeping up my pantry. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.